Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Afton. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make pineapple smoothie. I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious smoothie, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And all my measurements and ingredients for this pineapple smoothie will be in the description box down below. And I want to ask you guys to please go and subscribe to my second channel, Natural Afton. I will also leave that link in the description box down below. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and thanks for subscribing. So let me just show you my ingredients for my simple, delicious pineapple smoothie. Enjoy guys, enjoy. Hey guys, so today we'll be making some pineapple smoothie. So here's my ingredients. So over here we have some vanilla essence, condensed milk, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, and some frozen pineapple. So let's get started. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is open up my blender here, and I'm going to pour in my milk. And then I'm going to pour in my pineapples. My nutmeg and cinnamon powder. And my vanilla essence. We just blend up this at first and okay, so that's that finished blending up. So I'm gonna continue now putting the rest of my pineapple inside of the blender, and also I'm gonna put some milk powder in mine as well, so it'll be more rich. I'm gonna put the milk powder, and you're gonna close it, and you're gonna blend it up. Okay guys, so my smoothie is done here, my pineapple smoothie. So I'm going to pour it out and you guys see how thick it is. This is my thick pineapple smoothie. It's gonna be so delicious guys, so delicious. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Alright, I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see, so we'll be back. So guys, this is my pineapple smoothie here. You see how it's thick and nice. I don't know if you guys would see good because it's so glary. So I'm gonna taste it and let you guys see. So here it goes. Yeah. Wow. This smoothie is so delicious guys. You really need to try this recipe. Wow, this is some good smoothie. I can't stop drinking it. Wow. So I'm gonna go drink this smoothie off camera, and if you reach the end of the video, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget all my measurements and ingredients will be in the description box down below. And I want to ask you guys to please go and subscribe to my second channel. It's called Natural Afton. I will leave that link in the description box down below. And if you reach the end of the video, please watch my ads. Thank you. Take care and bye.